Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet
you say track be Emuniato motorway no so Akratema motorway mo amokotema no Muncheni police for ne fire service for Monkoboa tipper track be Ashiasi motorway no so the tema bound lane of the motorway inti so why I just okotema so their patrol use alternative routes and it will be help okay. Right, so fire helps us coming out with some pronunciation. So Dafia Makpo is pronounced Dafia Makpo.
Okay.
The F is pronounced like you pronounce Aflao.
Aflao.
Meaning go and visit your home and see.
You don't have to be Samo.
Fire, thanks. Good morning. Have a great day. If you go by Kosi Kedem's logic, I also agree with those who say that the NDC is behind this, because this shameful agenda always only comes up when they are not, when they are in opposition. Okay. So at this point, I don't think that we should be drawing any political party in. Tell the former Hohoi MP Kosi Kedem, if Ghana doesn't exist politically, legally, then he should refund all the benefits and emoluments he received from the illegal country's parliament. A man who was once an MP of Ghana's parliament denied the existence of Ghana. Let him refund all the expenditure this illegal and non-existent Ghana spent on him. Kwabra,
Chairman General.
Minti wadwinchire.
Me da se Kwame didi kan no. Me mpaya me bu nyina ne se enkomo ya yedi me kasa me kan fa hu nyina no. Ebeye ye ede ebepe anuye ama ne ekoso no. Na Chairman General ne ekoso no. Asema asefim hadwene enye nye womo eye no nko na hadwene na enkomodi.
Okay, fire says as you pronounce it, Dafa Makpo. Yo, fire Maraku, Dafa Makpo. Maraku yo akpa.
Enkomodi a ekokọ ho ye ka fa ho no eno na ema nsem no eya na asefim kakra. Chairman General de minim kakra ne se asembia sia said time bia no eya ema kwan ema ye hwehwemu anase yesua de afimu enu ntimensha ase no mede eya honorable Kosi Kedem de no na mesha ase ede eya no em say Chairman General former member of parliament nasema okaye any say we see suginaye say Ghana does not legally exist no. And Mami Busa said, was he indeed a member of parliament?
He was.
Did he learn? Did he research anything about the coming into being of this country called Ghana, geographically, legally, constitutionally? The system of government, Juma unitary state, said, yeah, and then they want unicameral parliament, then a bicameral parliament. Once here, where Musa? Well, I will try to restrain myself because and suddenly one more person will say, "Also, nipa na okas asem no, onim de okana." Chairman General, I'm making reference to a certain UN resolution. I-1044. Now, or says our resolution no, it was not actualized and I said formalized. And I have a document here dated 6 March 1957, New York. Document T/1301. Letter dated it is signed by the then Minister of State for Foreign Affairs in the United Kingdom government, Alan Noble. In accordance with the operative paragraph of General Assembly Resolution 1044 into bracket XI, that is 11, of 13 December 1956. I have the honor to inform Your Excellency on behalf of Her Majesty's government in the United Kingdom that with effect from midday on 5th to cease March 1957 under the terms of the Ghana Independence Act, into bracket 5 and 6, Elizabeth II, chapter 6, bracket close. The territories previously comprised in the Gold Coast became the independent state of Ghana. Under the same act, the union of the former Trust Territory of Togoland under the British administration with the independent state of Ghana took place with effect from the same time and date. What is he talking about? Unima. Me Professor Bakubia Samoka, the fact that you have not researched or you haven't found data doesn't mean that data doesn't exist. If you don't know, you don't know. It's arrogant to make that statement, say Ghana does not legally exist. Indeed, the Ghana Independence Bill, which was introduced in the UK House of Commons in December 1956, got passed and said 15th as 27th February 1957. I be a Ghana Independence Act. Sa act no declare determine say the 4 territories, I mean na separate no, the Northern Territory, the Ashanti Territory, the colony, the Gold Coast colony, and the Transvolta Togoland no, a Kambom and the money Ghana. Map no you draw here. It was part of the law. Wakota Parliament. I don't know whether he was there for 2 terms.
3 terms, I guess.
3 times or so. Well, it bears a lot of questioning, Kwame. The kind of work that goes on.
Peace
And it's not, I mean, not to sound arrogant, but Obia Wakota Parliament, 3 years there. These are
3
basic.
terms. And yet 3
times.
years. Yeah.
Thank you. 3 times there. When you basic as I say unu enti ono asama wo kan de ani hokra na chama general diba ko so mpesa me clear
Me too.
ya say after 50 years bi nkofo create ade bi wo mutrim
Empacho is not true.
and I make me say anya no kra and some nkofo keka say ye wo agreement bi e ka say after 50 years of the plebiscite, you know, we should go and renegotiate. Now you be a plebiscite, you know, negotiation by the course. People forget that plebiscite was a subject of campaign between political parties that existed at the time. Kwame Nkrumah leading the CPP to go and say yes, they should vote yes. Togoland Congress Party, I think SG Anto. I don't know if Bombay I got the name right.
That's the name, SG Anto.
Led the campaign, said they should vote no.
Yeah.
Maybe what?
No correct.
And even after the elections, some even were accused and said the elections were rigged. I am a yasa mi madam for Penny Papa Professor AKP Kluje Woniho. This matter and to obey come amayati asi pa. Say or no say plebiscite no vote no. No to about Pando. But ye no or no na adwiri mu no. When I'm so no two no no winning. But the facts are there that no had a number of votes in Pando.
Actually, no had a majority.
Thank you.
In Pando and Ho. Yeah.
And the
Majority.
JB Danko Memorial Lecture man 2010. He laments about this plebiscite issue in that book. What does he say? Somebody say this creating our own fiction and conjectures and visiting them on Ghana as if they are facts. No, we need to deal with them once and for all. And I think say anything na mudin komo efa history of Ghana. I say ye dey call basic school ni ade no. Eye me dey pass ye dey sade no e call on. Na Chairman General, the recent wave of this matter.
At the time he spoke as professor of law or justice of the Supreme Court.
No, he had retired.
He had retired.
He was giving a lecture. In fact,
no, he wasn't saying we should go back and do it all.
Okay.
He was sharing his experience.
His experience.
Say yes, he voted no, but no lost.
Yeah.
So big deal. Let's move on. Yeah. I think that was the crux of what he was saying.
Absolutely, that's the point.
Mr. No. But yet no anye. It is easy. I can Mama be Supreme Court judge or Ghana. Until we might as well move on. I am yo, but hey, you live with it.
In fact, what I'm saying is I wish he was alive. And he said he was speaking as somebody who was opposed to Kwame Nkrumah. And yet, you know, this is something that he believed happened to have brought about the union
of Ghana
between Yehonmo and I said the Minister Kayeno. Not the entirety of the Volta region as we presently have it.
No.
And yes, I didn't.
Peace FM. 104.3 wotumi ntaake